Right, quick shout out to Spare Lab. Sorry if I got that wrong. This is their model. I have remixed it. I wanted to do more scanning, or not scanning, but videos of my RC modifications and other, various ESP32 type projects, whatever that I want to get a 360 view of. So this guy has a few mods, and I put in some, believe it or not, Lego wheels in this to actually allow for the rotation to be a bit smoother. Also modified it with a gear motor instead of a servo, or sorry, instead of a stepper, with appropriate driver, and I'm using a knockoff ESP32 C3 in there. A little overkill, but for $4, can't go wrong. So anyway, I'll post that up here, but also post a link to Sphere Lab as well. Thanks.